Lokayukta police have arrested Revenue Inspector, Revenue Officer and a middleman in a bribery trap in Chamarajanagar while they were allegedly accepting money from a complainant. Officials said Revenue Inspector Shakeel Ahmed, Revenue Officer Hemkumar and middleman Habib Ahmed, all from the Revenue branch of the Chamarajanagar Municipality Office, were caught red-handed during a surprise raid conducted by a DySP-led Lokayukta team on Tuesday evening. According to the complaint, Revenue Inspector Shakeel Ahmed and Revenue Officer Hemkumar had demanded money from Nagaraj, a resident of Chamarajanagar, for opening an account. Nagaraj later filed a complaint with the Lokayukta. On Tuesday, when Nagaraj went to the municipal office to complete the process, he was allegedly asked to pay 15,000 rupees to the revenue inspector and 10,000 rupees to the revenue officer. As the transaction was taking place, the Lokayukta team raided the office and caught all three, including the middleman, along with the bribe money. The operation was carried out based on information received by Lokayukta SP Udesh. Reported by Kalmesh Mandyal. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.